Hello, I am Jess Blanche, Intuitive EFT Practitioner, and today I'm going to give you an exercise that's really fun to do, super easy, super fast, that's going to help you neutralize your negative thoughts and find emotional relief. This is one that you're going to want to do in the shower. So you've probably heard of different shower meditations of like showering yourself in golden light or rinsing away negative thoughts. And this is kind of similar, but with using tapping. I love tapping in the shower. It's one of my favorite things to do. So I'm going to gift my own personal, my own mindset work, my own exercise to you guys. So if there is something that's been on your mind, maybe it's something that you've been trying to manifest that has been really hard, or you have a fear or a limiting belief that you know is keeping you from being where you want to be and creating what you want to create. So that's what we're going to focus on. Now, I want you to get as specific as possible. So don't be afraid to face this thing head on, and don't be afraid to really get into the emotions of it. It is not going to mess up or slow down your manifesting, I promise. The thing that actually slows down your manifesting is by pushing these things away. So I want you to think of that thing that you're ready to clear out and feel less emotionally charged with. For today's example, I'm going to use signing clients because that's something a lot of people come to me for help with. Now, when you're in the shower, I want you to think about that thing that's bothering you. Before you get started tapping, I want you to rate how emotionally charged you are feeling on a scale of 0 to 10. So 0 would mean you're not feeling anything, feeling totally neutral. And then 10 would be you're feeling the most emotionally charged about this topic you've ever felt, and give yourself a number. Now, you're going to start tapping at the side of the hand and ask yourself, what am I feeling about this? So maybe it's discouragement that you might not ever sign any clients and you keep trying. So you would say, even though I'm feeling discouraged about not signing clients, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. And we'll do this 3 times. Even though I'm feeling discouraged about not signing clients, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though I'm feeling discouraged. Now, if any other emotions come up, definitely address them here. I'm feeling hopeless about the future. I'm feeling frustrated that I'm not getting where I want to be. I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Now we're actually just going to do 1 round of tapping, and we're going to be very specific on what you're wanting to release, okay? Or in other words, what you want to neutralize your negative emotions on so it no longer triggers you, okay? So, not signing clients. Not signing clients. I'm not signing clients. I'm not signing clients. I'm not signing clients. I'm so discouraged because I'm not signing clients. Not signing clients. I'm not signing clients. I'm not signing clients. Okay, then take a deep breath and exhale. Once you're finished tapping, I want you to then envision that this negative thought and these negative emotions are washing off of your body, your physical body, and your energetic body, washing off of you and flowing down the drain. Now you can do this with as many limiting beliefs as you want to. Sometimes I'll do a few in a row. Sometimes as you're tapping, different emotions or different thoughts will come up. So then tap on that one next. So when you're done tapping and after you've envisioned all of these negative emotions washing down the drain, score yourself again. So how are you feeling? From 0, being completely neutral, and 10, being completely emotionally charged. And you should have a lower number than what you started with. Now, if you're not ready to move on, you can always do this tapping again. And every time you do the tapping, your number should get lower and lower until you're feeling completely calm about the situation. So that's it for your exercise. Next time you take a shower, which I'm hoping should not be too far from now, I want you to do this and let me know how it goes. Tell me in the comments how it went for you and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for hanging out. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at tapwithjess for daily tapping sessions to raise your vibe in just 60 seconds. And if you're curious about working with me privately, you can click the link that's down in the description and book a free discovery session and we can chat about how I can support you. I'll see you next time.